Hey everyone, today I want to share my experience checking my PC performance, especially focusing on my RAM speed. While monitoring my system using Task Manager, I noticed something concerning. My RAM was only showing a speed of 2133 MHz. Now my PC is equipped with HyperX Fury RAM, which is rated for around 3200 MHz. So I wanted to see why it was stuck at such a low speed. After some investigation, I found a setting in my MSI B450 Mortal V2 motherboard called A-XMP, which stands for AMD Extreme Memory Profile. This feature allows you to set your RAM to run at its rated speed. In this video, I will guide you through how to enter the BIOS and enable A-XMP so you can optimize your RAM performance. Let's get started. Now before restarting, make sure set your performance power mode to the high performance. Just click on the Windows icon or search icon and then search for power options. Now click on the edit power plan. Once you are here, you need to go one step back, power options. Now at this point, you need to choose the AMD Ryzen High Performance, but if you are not getting the AMD Ryzen Performance options over here, then choose the High Performance. And even if you are not getting here the High Performance, then what you can do here, open the command prompt, then right click on it and run as administrator. Click on yes, and now paste here the command prompt. It will create a high performance or ultimate performance scheme into your power options. Now simply you need to go one step back and then once again you need to go into the power option. Now once you are here, you will see here the ultimate performance. Just choose it and then close it. Now you can restart your PC and follow the further step. Okay, first restart your computer and enter the BIOS settings. Each BIOS has its own key to enter, but for mostly MSI motherboard is the delete key. After entering the BIOS, navigate to the overclocking settings. The BIOS themes might differ, but the options are generally similar. Look for the feature named A-XMP or XMP. Enable the A-XMP. A-XMP stands for AMD Extreme Memory Profile. Once you find it, enable it. Upon enabling, you will see different profiles with their respective speed. Choose the profile with the highest rated speed and save the settings. That's it. Now let me show you the exact result after enabling these settings. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comment sections if you have encountered similar issue with your RAM speed and share how you resolved them. Until next time, keep optimizing your PC for the best performance.